and welcome to Buckland Junction. This is just a news flash. I've just found a product that I think you would all like to know about, so come and have a look. A friend of mine showed me these metallic marker pens. They're water based, odourless and xylene free. That's what it reads on the side. So let me show you what they work like. I think they're brilliant. Here we go, the silver one. They're really quick at working. They're really easy to use. I'm not taking any care here of this. Oops, I've really overdone that. But you can see how quick that's worked. Silver. I have splodged the side, but I should be stood by with a wet a cue pad. Let's do this side and see if I can do it a bit better. Look at this. How quick was that? Can you see that? Silver. Right, let me try out a few more colours. Look how much I've managed to do in just a couple of minutes. I've added silver lines everywhere. I've brassed the steam dome, and I've coppered the chimney, and even done the smoke box hinge and handrail. Look at that. I can't believe it. Works really well. Here's a quick overview of the colours. It's purple, kind of metallic-y greens, and blue. Now the brass or the gold, is very colourful. This is, I'm not sure, it's like a dark silver, not so good. The bronze, very good, and the silver works well. Not sure about the white. But definitely silver, bronze and gold or brass work very well. And that's that. Very well. And so I don't get a copyright, all you got to do is tap into the search engine Fanasting pens. I think they're brilliant. I think they're really good. I'm not going to test to see if I can wipe them off because it says allow time to dry, but it says they're indelible. So how about that? That's quite a good copper dome, that, isn't it? Not a brass cap and the bronze copper, would you call that, around the chimney. I think it's great. So that's Alan. And before I go, they cost £5.50 including postage, from Amazon. Not my favourite, but Fanasting metallic marker pens. Well worth a look. Take care. Merry Christmas. Alan out. Bye.